Good morning, guys. Welcome. This is Harshvardhan here. Namaste, Namaskar, Vanakkam, Namaskaram, Kencho, Sasrikal. Hope everyone's doing well. It's been a long time since I've recorded a vlog, guys. Caught up with some other work. Apologies for that. So now we have come. Today I'll be showing you one more crime scene area, guys. I've come. This is regarding a case of a 12-year-old schoolgirl who was murdered in the year 2002. This is the old case which remains unsolved till date. There is no record of any arrest so far. Nothing has happened. It's just a cold case, and the files are gathering dust in the police station. They are not able to find out who did it. Though there were some attempts, but it all went cold. So as of now, I've heard from some sources that this case is going to go to the CBI. Surprised it hasn't gone as yet. So I'm here in that area. I came on some work here, and here we are. We'll be seeing. I'll be showing you. There are 3 apartments, guys, buildings, which is called Sai Residency. We don't know exactly which Sai Residency it was, but I'll be showing you 3 buildings, and none of the locals here in this area know where it happened. They're saying we came only recently, except one person who almost from the previous school. They told me that it could be on this road only, and there are 3 buildings. So one of the 3 which has an alley next to it, I'll be showing you now. We'll be going there. The details are as follows. She was a girl. There is some disputes about the name. They have changed the name 2 times. One is called Annapurna Anita, and another article mentions her as Nazia. So Nazia Begum. So the correct details are actually Annapurna Anita, who was a 11-year-old girl. Sorry, not 12. She was staying with her family of mother, father, and her brother. So this happened in July 2002, wherein she was alone at home after school, and the assailant came in. He strangled her, and he tried to misbehave and do some other things. I can't mention it. So after that, he killed her with a dupatta which was lying there, and he ran away with just escaped from the balcony. Now this details, mother came at 4 o'clock, brother was in some friend's house. They found the front door open, and she was lying dead on the floor. So what followed was police investigation, and till now nobody. They found that the balcony door was unlatched. So the assailant entered through that, and then he went and he committed this crime, heinous crime. So along with this, there have also been reports that he or they were doing a recce in the area and trying to see vulnerable targets. As I told you in my previous video, how the criminals and robbers do recce and identify potential houses. So we have come to that area, guys. Now, building number 1. This is the small road. You can't call this an alley, and joins this road here. Now, this road, you must be wondering where it is. It is in Iram Manzil Colony, Bandara Hills, guys. So Iram Manzil Colony is also a place where another case happened, which is further down this road. That's called the Kusma Kumari murder case. If you Google it, you'll get to know some details. So this is what happened, guys. And this is the building, Sai Residency. This is one building, guys. So you can see they've put all grills on the gates, balconies, and that's how they've done. So why they've put the grills is because probably post these incidents they want to give more security to themselves. So it's actually a late thing, but they should have done it much earlier. So that's actually how the assailant entered inside, because there was no grill. He just entered the balcony and bad access. This is one more Sai residency. There's no alley here, so it definitely can't be this building, guys. So this is an old case, right? There are many old cases like this, and so I told you more about this Kushma Kumari murder case also. It's very strange. This is the final Sai residency. I don't know if it's, I shouldn't say I don't know, but it could be this one also. As you can see, all the grills have been put on the balcony thing. So the flat was on the first floor, and some reports say third floor. Some don't have grills at all. Yes. So the assailants, they entered, they committed the crime and went away. During that time, this many buildings, these are all old buildings only. Surprising how they escaped unseen, though this happens in busy areas during the daytime. So yeah, so these are all old buildings from that era only. Definitely was there in the 90s and 2002. So this is how they come, they conduct a recce, they notice who is living alone, they see everything, and after that they go in and commit the crime. So that's why in order to avoid all this, it's always better to consider your safety, install cameras, install good locks to prevent any untoward incidents, and also notify your police stations about any domestic helps, anyone whom you're hiring, so that it's easy to keep a track and monitor. Of course, nowadays with technology it's much easier. I myself have entered cyber security, so that's why I can give you more tips on these things. So nevertheless, these are some tips we should follow nowadays. And of course, many people have become aware, but some are still careless. And in another video, I'll be telling you about, rather there's a video where I went to Nacharam. I'll explain more on that later. So this case, this is one of the potential buildings where it could have taken place, and we don't know as yet. There are no details, so this could be one of the targets. So that case is, as I told, nobody knows who did it, what happened. But yes, the family is distraught. They moved away from Hyderabad, I think, towards Visakhapatnam, and so that's what this case is about, guys. And this, as I told you, it's going to go to the CBI. So there are 2 more cases I'll be uploading soon. So I'm more interested in all these unsolved cases and crime investigation. That's the reason I'm, when I have little free time, I'm doing this. Though I have come on official work in these areas, so while passing, I thought I must take some 5-10 minutes off and then do this, since this is my hobby. So anything else, do let me know the feedback, how it was, guys. Let me know how my description was. I'll be putting some details in the link when I'm posting it. So don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon for notifications. Hope you all enjoyed. Do let me know. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Bajrang Bali, Jai Hind, Jai Guru.